Okay, so in this video, I want to explain what pay-per-call marketing is because it's a lot different and it's something that has a more forever and evergreen type of model compared to other online businesses as well as even other forms of affiliate marketing, but more on that later. So basically there are four main facets to pay-per-call. We have our person here who has some sort of problem that needs to be solved. They had a pipe burst and their basement's flooded, or a whole host of other things, and that's why I had to change the face to a frown face because they're not happy. They have a problem that needs to be solved. And then over here we have a business owner who is a water damage repair contractor, for example. So we'll just do WD, and this one's going to be P for person. And so our goal as marketers is to bridge the gap between this guy, and that way an exchange of value is made. This guy has currency, or his insurance company has currency given to this guy who has tools and personnel and equipment and all that stuff needed to solve this person's problem down over here. Us as affiliate marketers will work with an affiliate publisher or affiliate network, so we'll just call it AN, and we'll make it a house here. And the reason that they are here is that they have the connections to this business owner here. Oftentimes, selling to a business owner can be very, very tough if you are someone who does not know how to sell very well, and that's why this model works really well for someone who's just getting started, doesn't have the funds to advertise to get in front of these business owners, and a whole host of other things. So these affiliate networks are able to then build up a list for their clients, which are these business owners all across the nation or the world, depending on the company. So essentially, the affiliate network does all of the legwork when it comes to finding these business owners in specific areas to take on jobs that we send them. So that is where we come into play here as an affiliate marketer. Stick figures for the win. It works good. It works very good to explain this. So anyways, where we come into play is that we are able to build websites. We run ads. We do YouTube videos or whatever forms of media we want to use in order to capture this person's attention. And then, I don't know what I was drawing there, but it works. In order to capture this person's attention, we advertise to them, we get them onto our site, we get them to call, we get them to do what we need to do. And this affiliate network provides us with phone numbers, so that way when this person does click on our ad or click on our website and then clicks the phone number on there to make the call, they call the number that we have listed on the site that was created through the software that the affiliate network uses. That way the call is tracked and recorded and goes to the call center that the affiliate network will use. And then if it reaches this specific durations, they then dispatch that customer to the contractor and they begin the fulfillment of those services. And when a phone call reaches the duration that's required for the specific offer, usually it's 120 seconds, sometimes it's 60 seconds, sometimes it's 90 seconds. It really varies depending on the niche. But then we get paid a commission anywhere varying from say $8 to $12 for some of the lower ticket services, all the way up to $400 to $800 per qualified lead that we bring in a higher ticket niche. And a lot of times it's going to be for addiction recovery centers, those types of things where they make $30,000 or $40,000 off of each customer. So they are more than willing to pay $400 or $500 or $800 for each lead that you bring them. That is how pay-per-call marketing works in the gist of things, but basically what it is we here as an affiliate marketer bridge the gap between the business owner and the person that has the problem that needs to be solved. And you can certainly cut out working for an affiliate network if you wanted to. Yes, we can generate more money for each lead that we bring them, because say for every $50 commission that we get paid for an offer from the affiliate network, they are likely charging about $100 to that business owner. So we would be cutting out this guy and making $100 per qualified lead that we generate them. However, there are some things that come along with that. So you'd have to be able to, one, sell that business owner into wanting to purchase your services or wanting to work with you. You also have to do all the call tracking on your own with your own software, as opposed to what the affiliate network has. You will then need to manage the customer relationship, and that does involve talking to people. So if you're someone who does not like talking to a lot of people and being in a sort of sales aspect, then that might not be the best model for you. But that's what's great about affiliate networks, is that you do not have to really talk to anyone outside of your affiliate manager for a brief duration, usually just an introductory phone call, and then maybe once a month, once a quarter, they'll call to check in and see how things are going for you. So that is the whole cycle of pay-per-call lead gen marketing in a whole. So if you have any other questions on how this process works, be sure to reach out to me and I'll gladly answer your questions. All right, I'll see you in the next video.
I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it, I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest, I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that works